Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe to my videos, share them with your friends, let everybody know about my channel. I'm trying to grow and I need all the help I can get right now. How often have you had an iPhone cable break right here where it plugs into the iPhone? Most annoying thing ever, and the cable shorts out, it quits working at the worst time. I have a solution to that. So the first step is we're going to remove the little plastic cover here, which we can use just a little knife. Once we get the little cover off, here we go. That's step one. Once the cover's off, then what we're going to do is we're going to mix up a little bit of epoxy. I have some 5-minute epoxy right here. We're going to mix that with a toothpick on this index card. We're going to put a little bit of that epoxy right here. Then we're going to slide some heat shrink tubing right over that. It just fits. And then while the epoxy is still a little bit wet, I'm going to use a heat shrink gun, basically an overpowered hairdryer, shrink the tubing on, and then we'll be done. Let's get started. And that's it. Now it just has to dry. Take off this little excess epoxy, which is already almost dry. And we're done. Quick, easy, fast hack. It has to cool off. As soon as it cools off, I'll be back. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, here's my son's iPad and my new cable. Plug it in. Works. It's charging. Perfect. Well, I hope this helps. I hope it's something you can use. Please, again, subscribe to my channel, share the videos, and one little pro tip, don't use a lighter on the heat shrink tubing if you're using white, as it'll just look absolutely horrible. I had to redo the video because of that. All right, see you next time.